Hi everyone, this is Monique from Zambia, and COVID-19, this pandemic has taught me quite a number of things. The first thing, and this is something that I keep thinking about, is how nothing is as important as our health. You know, it's the way, everything has come to a standstill because we have to be safe. We have to, look after ourselves and avoid COVID by all means. That has really blown my mind, really. Nothing matters more than your health. If you have a country of people who are not well, nothing matters. Nothing else matters. It doesn't matter whether you're the president. I mean, look at the British Prime Minister. He had to be hospitalized. It doesn't matter if you are a CEO. It doesn't matter if you're a teacher, a janitor, a doctor, because health personnel are getting sick as well. It has really just driven home that point that we really have to prioritize our health more. It has to be more of a conscious decision that we make in our daily lives. That has really hit home for me. If you are not able-bodied, if you are not well, you cannot do anything. You can't contribute to the workforce. You can't contribute in your own homes, in our families. So that's the first thing that COVID-19 has taught me, is that nothing, absolutely nothing, is more important than our health. And these days, everybody works so hard. It's always go, go, go. We have to make money. We have to cut that deal. But what is it all for if you are not going to be well enough to, enjoy the fruits of your labor? So that's the first thing. The second thing that COVID-19 has taught me is, it sounds cliche, but it's true that we live in a global village. Just when you thought that something that happens in Asia is not ever going to affect you in Africa, COVID has taught us that clearly we are very interconnected, and what happens in one part of the world can very well affect others in different parts of the world. So we have to be more awake to that fact. We have to, just be abreast of, news, current affairs, especially in the medical field, what research is being done, things like that. Just being clued up, being in the know, because what happens in other countries does affect everybody around the world. The third thing that COVID has taught me is the importance of saving money, finances. I work in the media industry in Zambia and also the entertainment industry. I MC a lot of events, a lot of functions. I do voiceover work for TV and radio. And obviously everything has come to a halt, until further notice. So the importance of putting something away for a rainy day is extremely important. And times like this is when you realize just how important. Another thing I would speak on is just the importance of what we call Ubuntu, which is really being your brother's keeper. I thank God personally for technology. In times like this where we're social distancing, we're staying at home, there are lockdowns, we can use technology just like I'm doing right now to, express ourselves, to communicate with people, family from different parts of the world. It's really important just to stay connected, as families, as a people in general. So, I have a newfound love for technology, for internet. If used in the right way, it's such a beautiful thing, and now it's forcing us, especially people who work in the creative space like myself, to get even more creative. I mean, people are now having events online. People are attending baby showers online. People are attending their family members' weddings online, so it's a really incredible thing. So in as much as it's a terrible pandemic, there's so many lessons to be learned.